pretty quickly what actually happened and called me last night. Apparently, Lauren's mom had told him I was really drunk and told him.
Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini, a cop car. With a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop.
He said he wished I had taken it out on the open bar rather than leaving, but he understood why I left. He thanked me for taking the high road and that
This drawer front has incredible curl in it, and it's always amazing to see it all pop when the finish is applied. And then
for all of those who said Lauren just hates me, turns out it's 100% true.
Over early in the morning.
She has been
Since when did it become acceptable for a new car payment to be over $1,000 a month?
He said he thought she had gotten over